Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we will learn how to log in NY Lawyers. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in NY Lawyer. Now scroll down a little bit until you saw this logo. Now click on it. After opening this official website of NY Lawyer, you can see Sign in to online services option. Click on it. It will lead you to another tab. Here you can type in a registration number followed by a password to sign in. So type in your registration number. If you have forgot your registration number, click on this link and you can recover your registration number. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on this box to ensure that you accept the terms of use. Now click on sign in and this is it. Now you are able to log in NY Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.